Hey everybody, it's time for another installment of Best Practices Tip of the Week. Today, we are going to talk about how to use text messages in your business. 62% of home buyers say they would rather have us text than actually talk to us. 45% of the people that we deal with in real estate respond to a text message, where only 11% respond to an email. So there's a great reasons for you to start using text more in your business. Now we all text, and a lot of us, maybe old fuddy-duddies, think maybe that's not a professional way to communicate. You're wrong. It is the future, and people want it of all age demographic. So when we talk about text messages, first thing I want you to remember is to project a message to the people that you're communicating with that I am a human. That's one of the most important things. So say you get an internet lead. We know we got to respond in 5 minutes or less. You don't have to make that phone call. You could be at your kid's soccer game, pull up an auto list of different autofill texts and, hey, thanks for your call. I'm going to be back in touch with you in 5 minutes, or, just fill out 4 or 5 different auto responses so you can do that anytime. Another thing that you can do is you can do mass text messages. So you can download apps that will allow you to text everybody on your database. So hey, just thinking of you at Christmas time's right around the corner. Hope you have all your presents purchased. Give me a shout if there's anything I can do for you. Something along those lines on a mass level is kind of generic, but it's coming from you. Another great one that is personal and humanizes is a video text message. You can think about that. So when you're doing videos, they know you're talking to them. So just, hey, giving a shout out to you, Joe and Susie. I'm super happy that you're going to be spending your first Christmas in your new home. Give me a shout if there's anything I can do for you, and have a Merry Christmas. Need something personal like that, text, bam, boom. They read it, they love it, and you've connected. All right, something else that you can do. Use emojis in your text messages. This is something that, I know we're going to get some pushback on that this is a professional. However, what the agents that are using emojis in their text messages are seeing is that it makes them more human, and people are responding at a higher rate when there's an emoji in there than when there's not an emoji in your text message. So let's think about this. Hey, little wavy hand, just thinking about you. Or what about a smiley face? Hey, is there anything I can do to help you? Hope you have a Merry Christmas. Put a little Christmas tree emoji on there. If you haven't heard from somebody, so your third or fourth follow-up for an internet lead, what about the little cricket symbol? Hey, haven't heard from you. Chirp, 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 chirp. So I hope these ideas help. Don't be afraid to test this stuff too. People are very forgiving if you keep the messages short and you don't say anything very technical or something that's too provocative. They're going to forgive you if you don't do it right for the first few times. Get it out there, test it, try it, change it. And remember, none of this matters if you don't do the work.